Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert euros into USD on PayPal. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have euros, but you want to convert it to USD so that you can transfer it to your bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your PayPal account. Now, next to the drop-down menu of Manage Money, click on that, and then simply just click on View Money page. Now, once you've done so, you're going to reach your list of currencies. Next to where it says euros, they should all have the same option of clicking on Convert Currency. So click on Convert Currency, and then change the to country to US dollars. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and convert your euros into USD on PayPal. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.